A Russian drone tracked the movement of Ukrainian HIMARS system. Both vehicles moved toward the firing position, one being the launcher, the other an ammunition vehicle. As they reached the designated spot and came to a halt, an Iskander ballistic missile was launched at them. The missile accurately struck the target, destroying both vehicles. The thick white smoke seen burning is likely from the solid fuel of the rockets or ballistic missiles they were carrying. Why the Russians wait until the HIMARS stopped before striking? Because the Iskander is not a guided missile capable of hitting moving targets. It can only engage stationary ones. This is a best example of how long-range strike systems can be neutralized. The HIMARS received firing coordinates and stopped briefly to launch. Once they fired, they would have quickly relocated, so deploying a fast missile like the Iskander at just the right moment was the only viable and smart move.